Hello guys, welcome to our channel.
Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna unbox Logitech M171 wireless optical mouse, which is 2.4 GHz wireless black and gray color combination. Optical wireless mouse I just purchased and ordered from Flipkart, and it got delivered the next day itself. So the cost of the optical mouse is rupees 599, so which is quite reasonable compared to some other brand like Dell or HP. So the rating in Flipkart is quite good, which is 4.5. so I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna unbox, and we'll go through how it is installed in a laptop or a desktop. I have a laptop, so I'm going to show you how to install in laptop, and then we'll show you how smooth it is, how feasible it is, whether it is worth the price or not. We're going to I'm going to take you throughout the video. So please, before that, please ensure to like and subscribe my channel. So this is the box which I received from Flipkart today, that is on the 1st of September. I ordered this on the 31st August, and then it got delivered the next day, which is quite fantastic job done from Flipkart. So I'm gonna unbox this step by step so you guys can have a look through. So this is the bill which they attach inside the box, and then here is the sealed pack of the mouse. So as per the MRP here, it's written 845 rupees, 845. So Flipkart is offering for 599 rupees, and then the package contains one mouse, receiver, AA battery, and then the documentation. So I'm gonna open this now. So guys, this is the mouse, which is a combination of gray. So this area, the front part is gray, and then the body, the back side is a black color. So it's a combination of black and gray color. So I'm gonna open this now. So inside there is one battery, which comes along with the mouse from the company, and then you can see here there is one receiver which you have to attach in the desktop or laptop. So you can see it can be removed like this. It's quite small, and it's quite handy. So when you don't use the mouse, you can keep back here, and then you can close back this, and then just keep it in a safe place. So now I'm gonna remove the battery. I'm gonna put the battery. So they put this paper so that it will not touch the positive side of the battery here. So I'm gonna remove this paper, and again I'm gonna put this battery, and then it will be working now. So I'll just remove this receiver, and then I'll close the cap here. Now I'm gonna on my laptop, and then will attach the receiver in my laptop. Okay, now I'm gonna insert the receiver in the laptop. Okay, it's inserted. Now you can see the mouse it's on. There is an option to switch on and off the mouse here. It's on right now. So I'm gonna scroll here on my laptop screen so you guys can have a look. So I'm gonna use something on the top of the mouse since I don't have a separate pad. So you can see it's quite smooth. It's quite smooth, and then I'm sure the battery is gonna last. So it's quite smooth and handy actually. If you go see how you put your finger here, both you can click and click right side and left side easily. So this is the mouse. So even the color is also quite attractive, and then it matches my laptop, which is dark gray color, and then even this is gray color. The combination is quite good. So definitely I would recommend this Logitech mouse, because it's quite handy, and then it's quite smooth. You guys can see how the mouse is moving. So some of the mouse which is in the market, it's stuck in between while scrolling, or while trying to scroll up and down, it's stuck. But this it's quite easy to move, and it will be suitable especially those who use editing software like Adobe Photoshop, or video editing, or any other kind of editing software. So now I'm gonna open an Excel sheet. So just open this one Excel sheet, and then we'll see how it is. I'll just scroll this up and down. It's quite smooth. So the review which is in Flipkart is quite genuine, because it's like almost 25,000 review, and out of 25,000, 4.5 star rating. That is quite good enough. That means most of the people, majority of the buyer gave 4.5 or 5-star rating. So guys, that's about it. So please, as I said, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I'm gonna show you again and again the unboxing other electronic items, or anything which is related to technology, or any other electronic items available in the market. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.